Need to register on Election Day? It's simple. To find your designated polling place, go to cookcountyclerk.com and click the Your Voter Information image. Enter your address, then click Go. It will take you to the next page where you will find the name and address of your designated polling place. To review your sample ballot, just click the Sample Ballot Candidates tab. Choose your party and click Go. All races and candidates for your party will appear. To register on Election Day, you must bring 2 forms of ID, and one must show your current address. A photo ID is not required. For more information about Election Day registration, visit cookcountyclerk.com.